Last month, the HMD global-owned phone maker, Nokia, came out with a refreshed logo since acquiring the Nokia brand in 2016. The introduction of new logo was a hint that something special was in the works. You are right if you are one of those with such foresights. The Nokia brand under HMD Global has been making some good smartphones and feature phones since acquiring the brand from Microsoft. Despite making some good phones, the new Nokia is not really making a lot of impacts in terms of market share. The main reason to this could be due to the fact that they did not pay too much attention to high-end flagship-level smartphones. Most Nokia smartphones are either entry-level or mid-range smartphones. Nokia first announced its intention to compete for market share by introducing a new logo. Now, the Finland-based company is preparing to go all out with the launch of Nokia Mgic Max at the recent edition of MWC 2023 in Barcelona. Nokia announced two upcoming smartphones that are yet to launch. The company announced Nokia Mgic Max and Nokia C99. Since the announcement, there has been a lot of leaks about the phones, and we will share all the details with expected prices here. Most rumors are pointing the launch date of the Nokia C99 to the 28th of April 2023. However, another rumor extends the date further to November 18, 2023. Owing to the fact that Nokia announced the C99 at the MWC 2023, the latter launch date is quite off the hook. The Nokia C99 is also tipped to come with a price tag of about $480, 40,000 Indian rupees. Reports say that the Nokia Mgic Max will come in 3 different memory configurations. We will have 8GB, 12GB and 16GB of RAM with 256GB and 512GB storage options. It will launch with Android 13 out of the box with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC under the hood. We may also see a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate on the device. Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection could be on the display of the upcoming flagship device from Nokia. The device will feature a triple camera setup on the back with one 4.4MP main sensor, 6.4MP ultra-wide and 4.8MP telephoto lens. Rumors have suggested a massive 7,950 mAh battery which can also charge from 0 to 100 within a few minutes, thanks to the 180W fast charger.